Here's how to claim a free RIDGID battery replacement in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to check your coverage, complete the required battery diagnosis, and request a replacement. First, gather your RIDGID tool, filled battery or batteries, and charger. You should also have your RIDGID LSA identification number and valid personal identification available. Check your RIDGID account for the registered product and look for the LSA logo beside it. This confirms that the product is showing LSA coverage in your account. Next, call RIDGID Direct Ship at 1-877-655-5346. The listed hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Then tell the representative that you need a replacement battery and provide the information they request. RIDGID will verify whether your battery and equipment qualify for coverage. After that, complete the required diagnostic process with the representative. Keep the tool, battery, and charger nearby because RIDGID specifically asks customers to have them available. Now wait for the eligibility decision. If the battery is approved, RIDGID states that the replacement is shipped directly to your home or office. Once the replacement arrives, check its serial number. The replacement battery receives a new serial number, so you must register it within 90 days to maintain LSA coverage. If the battery is not eligible, check that it is part of qualifying equipment and not an excluded accessory battery. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Go to RIDGID Service Centers and Repair page, find an authorized service center, and enter your location. Bring the required equipment, LSA identification number, and valid identification for service. Once everything is set, an approved replacement battery will be shipped directly to your home or office, and you can register the new battery within 90 days. Following these simple steps makes claiming a free RIDGID battery replacement quick and easy.